Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Debian operating systems. Okay, first to open default browser that comes with Debian, that is Firefox. Then go to any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome, then select .debian package for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems. Okay, select .debian package, then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is 112 megabytes. Open terminal. Go to downloads, ls, see still it is downloading, see download completed, ls sudo dpkg-i Google, press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version 143. We have successfully installed. Go to applications, show applications, search for Google Chrome, or see here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as a default browser, you have to keep this checkbox and automatically send user statistics and cross reports to Google. You have to select this checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. See, we got the Google Chrome browser. Don't sign in. Okay. We have successfully installed Google Chrome browser. Unless this file is not required anymore, so remove it to clear the space. Let's see here, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome stable current version on Debian Linux 13.3. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.